We're going to make corned beef and cabbage today. Very simple dish and very enjoyable and very quick. When you get home from work and the kids are waiting for something, this worked for us. I don't know about these modern day kids now with all these box and fast food, but this is what worked for us. Quick corned beef and cabbage, steamed rice, dinner is ready. I like to keep the corned beef in chunks because I don't want it to get mushed out. Corned beef is already cooked, so you don't have to cook it and kill it again. You got to get all this tomato and onion and things cooked properly. And then you put the corned beef on the top. You turn the stove off and let it heat through with the stuff that's in there. Then you fold it in. And then it's ready. You can mush it out when you're serving it. So this is the way to cut the corned beef. And you got to be gentle with it because it's soft. And I just cut it in chunks like this. There you go. That's a lot of corned beef. So in this bowl I've got onion, tomato, red and green pepper. There we go. So I'm adding my chopped up cabbage to the pan because you want it cooked with that.
How much do you have to cook the other stuff first?
You can have them all chopped up at the same time. You just put the onion and tomato in just a couple minutes before this. This is all looking colorful. I'm going to add a little salt. You don't want to put too much salt in this because the corned beef is quite salty. So I just sprinkle a little salt, a little black pepper, a little hot pepper sauce, about a teaspoon. So I'm going to add half a cup of water mixed with a tablespoon of ketchup mixed in. So this will make it soft. See that? I'm going to add the corned beef on the top. I'm going to turn the burner off. No, I just leave it for cover it. I'm going to put the cover on and leave it for about 2 minutes, and then I turn the burner off. See, the burner is off now, and the corned beef is heated through, so all I do now is fold it in. And you have sauce for the rice. And there's the rice already. This will serve quite a few. You know, Lunch and dinner. Dinner and lunch. Okay, so there you go. Not mushed out, you can mush it out when you're serving it. And so that's corned beef and cabbage. Go to my website, Cook Like a Jamaican. Beautiful website. cooklikeajamaican.com, and you'll get all the information you need for everything that I've done, including corned beef and cabbage. Bye for now.